Hi guys, this is Tanya Meadows with Apple Tree Homeschool Academy, and today I have started taking inventory of our art supplies so that I can start making some homeschool watercolor plans for this coming school year, and we may even start over the summer. This is the end of the 2018-2019 school year, and I'm already looking forward to the following year. So I wanted to show you this case of art material that I had bought, and I got this at Sam's Club a few years ago. So it is a used set. It came in this really nice wooden box that has these little latches on it, and this is how gorgeous this set is. Now, for our purposes of homeschooling, this has done my daughter well, and she has just taken it upon herself to use this freestyle. And this is just a few of the pieces that she did actually a few years ago with this art box with no real formal art training. Now, she has a sister that has had some formal training in public school and graduated with an art degree. But I wanted to show you what this all had in it so you'd have an idea of some art supplies that you can take a look at. Now, I don't know that Sam's Club would still have this, but you might be able to find something like it at one of your local craft stores. So this set came with all of these supplies that you see here, but it also came with these little sheets that goes from simple to more difficult. So here's some writing or drawing activities, some color by number. And this is not everything that came in the kit, but this is just what we have left. Some coloring pages and a grid sheet. Okay, so part of this kit came with a paint mixing grid. So I thought that was kind of nice for someone who may just getting started in an art curriculum. Okay, it came with this little color wheel, and it talks about the primary, secondary, and intermediate colors. It came with this little palette, and it has like this plastic coating over top of a cardstock, and then there's several pieces. You can also use any of your plastic lids that you have recycled, and you can also use some styrofoam if you use styrofoam. All right, it comes with a nice set of colored pencils, and looks like this is modeling clay. Let me see, it may be chalk. Let's see what this is. No, that feels more like that's a chalk. Okay, we've never used this one before. She has a lot of stuff here that she's never even used because we have individual packs of some of these supplies. We have some of these black, I guess these are charcoal pencils here, and then a white eraser. This is a little clay pack, and some other erasers, and a pencil sharpener. Some of the pieces are missing out of here already because, like I said, this is actually a couple of years old. It came with some water colors. These are simplistic. This is a good set, I think, for a beginner. These are some oil pastels and some blending little pens. Well, that's a lovely sound, isn't it? It comes with some acrylic paints, and she's already used a lot of these. And then it comes with paintbrushes, and I have no idea what this thing is. I guess it's for your paints to put on your palette, I guess. I don't know. And then several of your markers. So this is the beginning of our inventory for our art supplies. So I thought I'd share with you what is possible and what's available to get someone started. This was a really good deal. I think it was either like 12 or 20 some dollars. I know I didn't pay over 30. I think it may have been $25, something like that, a couple years ago. But if you keep your eyes out for good deals, you can really start to incorporate some art into your homeschool curriculum at a minimal cost. I hope you enjoy, and if you like this video, please subscribe and stay tuned. Thanks.